Today we got a cab high fiberglass Jason's Pace series. That's a 9907 Ford Super Duty with the short bed, 6'9" bed. It's not horribly bad shape. It does have some clear coat issues, but other than that, that's probably not too bad. Has a couple chips right there. Has a small chip right there. When you get to the top, on the top edge, you'll be able to see the clear coat peel pretty much all the way through, all over the top. See the edge through here is all clear coat peeled. Got some looks like some tar right there, and a couple scratches here. Pretty good sized scratch right there. I was missing the trim, so we put a black trim across the edge bottom there. Does have the quarter side sliders in here. Front has sliding front window. You can see some more of the clear coat on the roof. Probably a little better now. A small chip right there. And small, pretty good scratch right there. Sliding window in the front. Slides here like so. Allows you to access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Slides back shut. You can pretty much see the clear coat all the way through there, peeling. Couple scuff marks here and one right there. And other than, if it wasn't for the clear coat, this wouldn't be a bad unit. Bottom edge looks good. A little bit of scratch down through there. Scratch right there and right there. Does have the quarter side sliders on this side as well. Does have the double T handle locking rear door. And on the inside, does have some holes in the screens right there. You can see it had some, the windows leaked. You can see the stains from the window leaking there. And on that side, so we went ahead and we pulled all three of these windows out of here. We resealed them, so that problem should be solved. Got a couple holes right here in the screens. That's the serial number right there. It's a Jason Industries. You can barely read it. It's a Super Duty or short bed. 99 Ford Super Duty. It's a Pace series. Paint code would have been in that spot that's missing. So it's burgundy. Best I can help you out on that. So, but yeah, like I said, there's the cab high fiberglass Pace, Jason Pace series. Fits the 9907 Ford Super Duty with the short bed, the 6'9" bed. Gone through and resealed this windows. The windows are all resealed and ready to go. Actually put new locks in the back of this, so this is pretty much all dialed in. Put new trim pieces on the bottom of it. So it shouldn't need anything really. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online. That can all be done through that link there. Make arrangements to pick it up online. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, you can do that through that link as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching and subscribe below.